Hey everyone, it is Kim, the homeschooling Grammy, and today I thought I would share with you IEW's Structure and Style writing. My granddaughter is actually in the middle of doing a lesson, so we're just going to kind of peek in there. You're going to get an idea of what is going on, and then I'm going to show you the different steps of what it's like during the course of the week for her to do this. The background, you can actually hear the DVDs that she's listening to, and I purchased the DVDs. You can do like an online type thing, but I thought the DVD would be easier, so I'm going to just kind of flip it around and show you.
We are likely only to hurt ourselves. Wow, nicely done, Patrick. Excellent. I like that word, enraged, Patrick. I also noticed you used the word which a few times.
Okay, so one of the things that I'm really loving about this curriculum right now is that right there. She has a teacher who's teaching this. I mean, yes, I have to go back through and have to, look at her work and, the editing process and all of that, but it makes it so easy because somebody else is doing the hard stuff for me. But I'm going to go through like what a typical week looks like. We're actually doing week number 4, unit 2. And I'm going to give you an idea of what it looks like on the day-to-day. So here we are, we're on week 4, The Fox and the Stork. You will see teacher preparation at the top, literature suggestions. We're not doing any of the literature suggestions because, our Sunlight curriculum is heavy in literature. We have no reason to do that. So we are doing week 4, The Fox and the Stork, Structure and Style for Students, video number 4. So you go to video number 4. We have the DVDs, but you can also do like an online type thing where it's all digital. So the goals for this week are to practice units 1 and 2 structural models, to write a KOW about the fox and the stork, to write a summary from your KWO, to learn new vocabulary, ostensibly bill, mincemeat, baker's dozen, and shallow. Sorry, I'm trying to read through my phone at the same time. So then here we are on day 1. So you're going to watch part 1 today of video 4. Read and discuss the fox and the stork. Write a KWO for the fox and the stork. And then optional, complete day 1 in your Fix-It Grammar week 4. And we are not doing that. We are just going through Fix-It Grammar as we feel we want to. We haven't been, keeping to the schedule whatsoever. We're way ahead of that. So then this particular week on day 2, you'll watch part 2 of the video 4, starting at the 30-minute 6-second mark. You'll test your KOW by retelling it to a partner. Remember to speak in complete sentences. You'll review the LY adverb dress up and write a list of LY adverbs to use for your summary. Using your KWO, begin writing your summary about the fox and the stork. Follow the directions on the checklist and check off each item as you complete it. And then optional again for Fix-It Grammar. And then it goes on to finish writing your summary about the fox and the stork. Create a title following the title rule. Include and underline 1 LY adverb in your paragraph. Read your paper out loud and fix any mistakes. Give the letter to the editor, to your editor, and have him or her check your rough draft. That's for day 3. And then on day 4, write your final draft, making any changes that your editor suggested. Review vocabulary words, staple the checklist, final draft, rough draft, and KWO together and hand them in. Optional, outline and rewrite an Aesop fable of your choice. So that's what a week looks like, and this is a 4-day-a-week program. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some other aspects. This is the actual story that they're talking about, the fox and the stork, and this is where they're going to get, this is their source text of where they'll get all their information for the writing assignments for this particular week. Is their checklist. So this checklist is what they'll do. Is they'll put their name on here, the source text that they're using, and then they check off each of these things that they need to do in order to complete their writing assignment for the week. So she just finished her writing assignment for day 1.
Yeah.
Right? Week, what do we say, week 4?
Yeah, week 4.
Whatever week it is, week 4. So I thought it would be nice to hear from her what she thinks, because, you know, we've done some other stuff with writing, and, you know, she has pen pals and stuff like that. But what do you think overall?
I like it.
Do you like it? So do you think the teacher's good?
The teacher's really funny.
Yeah, he is. He's really funny, because sometimes I'll be listening from the other room and I'll be like, he's cracking another joke. So he does make it fun for them. And I think that that's really cool, because writing was never fun for me, and I was hoping it would make it fun for her. So you like it, huh?
Yeah.
You think we should keep it? She thinks we should keep it. All right, so there's her input. She says that she wants to get some other stuff done so she can be done with school. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you.
It's been a long day.
It hasn't been what? It's only 11:44.
Oh.
It's been a long day. It hasn't even, not even lunchtime yet. Okay, and we didn't get started till like almost 9 o'clock. So what do you are crazy. All right. All right, so I am going to share with you what she worked on today, and then we're going to call it done. So here is the binder for students. So this has everything in it that they need in order to do this curriculum. So you will notice, you know, structure and style for students. It has their source text, their model, charts and outlines, work in progress, finished compositions, stylistic techniques, banned words, punctuation usage, documentation, etc., etc. So everything that your student needs, absolutely needs, is already in here. So for today, like this, all this stuff would go in the works in progress section. But she went ahead and they went through the source text, and they underlined the keywords, which is the KWO, all their keywords for their keyword outline. She actually started her keyword outline for her writing for the week. You'll also notice that she has the checklist, the letter to the editor, which is something specific for this particular week, and then she also gets a copy of all the things that are required for the week. So it is absolutely wonderful. I love how everything is broken down and how things are done. And so as you can see here, these are the past source texts that she has done already. We have it, IEW Structure and Style writing. And from the mouth of the babe, she says she really likes it. And that's a huge plus, because that's not always the case, as you all know, as homeschool moms, dads, grandmas, etc., etc. I hope that this video was a blessing. Take care and God bless, and I will talk to you in the next one.